Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is not an investigator, says the disgraced suspended Deputy National Police Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya. One was testifying in the Parliament's ad hoc committee. Let us listen to this clip.
Must bear in mind, Chair, neither is General Mkhwanazi an investigator. Doesn't know anything about investigation. Colonel Khumalo, Lieutenant Colonel Khumalo, was Mkhwanazi's driver. He's also investigating this thing. I don't know if General Khumalo's got investigation. I know he's investigating, but he's never been an investigator. I don't remember him being trained as an investigator, unless he's got that certificate that says he did investigation. I might be wrong. Now,